Hi guys! For today's video, ngayon nga guys ay sama-sama kami ng bestie ko mag-tour. Ayan. And I introduce myself. It's me, Aliyah Maxine DC Santos. Ayun nga po, abangan nyo nga po yung sa tour namin. And iba-vlog nga po namin pag nasa Nuvali na kami. Sa lahat ng pupuntahan namin, mag-video kami sa channel.
When I met you, when I met you.
Teka lang! Really? Naiwan! Yung bangs ko. Guys, today andito kami sa bahay ni Rizal. Wala pa nga eh. Wala pa nga sa bahay ni Rizal eh. Ay, baby. Bay, ikaw yung may-ari ng vlog. Dapat ikaw ma-outfit. Ganyan talaga yan. Yan sa atin nga din eh. Yung ay...
Nauna pa pala tayo sa kanila.
Ay, ay. Uy, wow! Cute! Wow! Ang cute! Ay, ganun yung ano na ni Chico. Ay, ang cute! Ang cute! Lahat tayong pera.
Bili nga kayo, bili na.
Mamaya may pera tayo. Sa IKEA at Nuvali. Aray, kanina ba?
Bus number 40, tayo sa pula. Anong pila? Pila po tayo.
Say hi! Grabe, ang mahal naman. Yan. Taas mo lang. Hindi ka makikita. Hindi ka lang. Mas lalo ako hindi makikita kasi ang late ko. May nagtitinda na yung din ko na dito. Ay, nakikisali. Ay! Ba't nasa tenga ko, be? Nasa na yung tatay ko. Be, hi ka. Hi ka, be. Hello. Be, hi ka. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, say hi. So, ganyan dito lang. Ito, di pa naman magtaas ng selo. Ayan o, kulang pa ba yan? Guys, may nagtitinda ng bulbolo dito. Oo nga, ito no. Oo. Eh, pindi ka. Tatlo. Say hi. Hi ka naman. Ikaw din, hindi ka nag-hi. Hi. Ikaw, hi. Okay na. That's enough. Aray.
Nauna na sila.
May bawak saglat.
Ha? Oo nga. Isa nga, ano yata? Makainan. Nuvali.
Kumapal bangs ko. Nasira sa bag ko. May nag-aaway. Ikaw naman nakawak sa camera. Di kami ang dalawa na lumahawak. Ay, left ko yan. Bakit tayo meron kang pantayo na ganun eh? Nakalimutan ko ba? Mabit ulit tayo. Ay, ulitin na. Dito na kami sa loob. Ni Rizal. Bahay ni Rizal.
Sabi pa ako sa vlog.
Kasi di ako sa bahay ni Rizal. Ay, be, pakita mo yun.
Anak ni ngayon ba?
Oy, susunod.
Kasi Rizal.
Galing. Si Rizal. father left me. Si Ryan. He always sleep. Guys, nandito na kami sa gardenia. Yeah. Yung sabi niya, gardenia. Yun o, hindi ko yung kita.
Gusto si Becca, anak, ikaw na lang mag-isa.
Okay.
May yung cake.
So, okay na po ba?
Yan guys, sige, start na po.
Okay, so Gardenia afternoon everyone. I'm Angelica and welcome to Gardenia Bakeries Philippines Incorporated. So on behalf
Guys,
of the
para siyang
entire
AI.
team, thank you for choosing us as one of your tour destinations today. Of course, we're excited to have you here and have prepared some fun activities to make your visit both memorable and enjoyable. So are you ready to watch the video? Okay, so just a quick reminder, you are not allowed to take photos and videos during the ABP. So kindly keep all your recording gadgets.
Ay, Gardy. Uy, dapat ipapakita natin sa kanila. Oh my God. Wag na, be. Wow, what the hell?
Hi kids!
Oh!
And I'm
Gardy lang
one of thousands of my
pinapakita.
favorite
Gardy.
that you see every day. Like you, millions of kids from all over the Philippines love gardenia bread. It's their favorite for breakfast, snacks, even baon. That's because gardenia bread is so soft, smells so good, and is super duper yummy. But have you ever wondered how I make? Do you know how a soft, yummy bread like me came to be? Let's go inside the factory as I tell you
Nag-i-start na, guys.
story. Welcome to Gardenia's latest bread-making plant. This is where my story starts. Inside this plant, Gardenia put together some of the awesome high-tech machines from all over the world to bring you the best quality bread. I know you're excited to see what's inside, so let's go! World-class quality bread starts with world-class quality ingredients. Gardenia is made using the finest quality ingredients sourced from the best suppliers from all over the world. I'm right here at the ingredients preparation. Here, the major ingredients like flour, sugar, milk, and whey powder are placed in the factory's computer-controlled ingredient handling top-of-the-line facility.
Happy?
Look, they're hard at work preparing the ingredients. These are placed in gigantic silos and day bins. Then, we send it to the sponge and dough mixers. Hey, that's the base dough or the sponge. Sponge mixing is the first step in making bread. We put half of the ingredients and mix them in this giant horizontal sponge mixer. They're finished mixing. Yay! The sponge is now moved to these big rectangular containers called the troughs. The sponge is fermented for several hours in a cold room to enhance the smell, flavor, and texture of the bread. Hey, I think it's done! From the fermentation room, the sponge is poured onto the dough mixer. The remaining half of the flour and other ingredients are then added to form the dough. These are then poured into the dough trough, ready to move to the makeup line. This is the makeup line. Here, there are 4 major operations done on the dough. First, dividing. The dough is transferred using a trough elevator to the divider. Here, the dough is cut into the required size and weight of a loaf. This makes sure that the dough is accurate and consistent all the time.
Uy,
Look at all the
nung
cute
parang
round
tao.
dough. That's because the second part is called rounding. The dough pieces are rounded into
Guys,
a
so
ball with a
today
smooth
I cut
surface,
muna
and it happens on this equipment called the rounder. Then the dough piece
Guys, ayun, hindi namin na-videohan kasi bawal. May freebie na kami. Guys, hindi namin na-videohan kasi bawal daw mag-video. Yeah, binawalan kami. We. Uy, doon tayo. Doon tayo. Tinda tayo. Ali, magtinda tayo. Tara. Be, ako muna mag-aaral. Pag ano na, pahiga talaga. Kaya nga. Sorry. Ay, wow. Wow. Be, teka dito. Welcome ka na. Welcome. Taas mo. Hello, guys! Swimming yan. Hindi ako makita. Be, taas mo! Wow! Guys! Guys, akyat! Lakas ang boses ko. Wow! Guys! Ay, ang OA namin. Oh my God! Ay! Ito daw. Tara. Uy! Ay, dito tayo. Ay, dito na kami. Pupunta kami sa taas. Hala! Inipit nyo na ako! Ang arte mo! Inipit mo na ako. Okay na! Bilis. As may cellphone. Para makita tayo. May, yung ano, yung ina wala. Ano? Yung ina wala. Taek. Eta tayo. Eta na tayo, eta. Ito. K yan eh. Eta. Hoy, pwede maging Kate. Hoy, yung ano. Kate na Kate. Kasama siya. Hoy, dito ka sa tabi ni Aliyah para Kate. Oh, doon na. Uy, tayo na Kate. Hoy, tayo na wala pa Hoy! Hanggang mo kay cellphone! Ay, sino pa talaga yung may nalagay cellphone? Yung pa talaga yung walang hawak. Poy, gitna siya palagi. Tasog. Tabi yung Kate. Kate. Hindi. Kate. Uy. My father left me. Si Ryan. He always sleep. Guys, nandito na kami sa gardenia. Yeah. Yung sabi niya, gardenia. Yun o, hindi yun ang kita.
Gusto si Teka, anak, ikaw na lang mag-isa.
Okay.
May yung cake.
So, okay na po ba?
Yan guys, sige, start na po
Okay, so Gardenia afternoon everyone. I'm Angelica and welcome to Gardenia Bakeries Philippines Incorporated. So on behalf
Guys,
of the
para siyang
entire
AI.
team, thank you for choosing us as one of your tour destinations today. Of course, we're excited.
Biglang nawala sa liyan. Yan, ay!